Okay, boys and girls. Yeah, there's my power drill. I got it out. Ryobi power drills are good. And I had to get my jigsaw out. This baby right here, because I had to cut it out, a little bit, to get it to fit right. But there's my Hyper Tough Sawzall. It's got steel cutting blades and wood cutting blades. Woo! We can put that back down because shit like this, it can fall down on your feet. And it can fucking hurt you bad, man. You gotta be careful with crap like that. But there it is. It's installed. It is installed, man. Whew. What it is, this one's about 3/4 inch wider than the one I took out. So I had to saw off this end. I had to saw with my electric saw there. I had to saw about a 1/2 inch out of that side. Now on the front to back, this one is a little bit shorter from front to back, but it meets almost perfectly, almost perfectly. So it's good enough. You can see, still got to clean this. See where the seal is? That even that is overlapping this wood some. Ugh, I can't stand to look at that because I got this so clean. Okay, you see? This, we got that cleaned up. And that cleaned up. And the back fit good. But where this is a little shorter, see, I'm going to have to clean what was under the other one. This part right here. Okay, that's just cleaning. Alright, what else we got here, man? Oh, I cleaned up over there by the sink. See where I got the top of the sink clean and that area right over there against that wall. See, that's an off-white. So we're getting there, but there it is. The other regulator fit on it gas regulator fit on it just fine. And I checked it for leaks. Oh, I'll show you all how this works. Woo, man. Alright, let's light up the center one for starters. Alright, here we go. I got it plugged in now. There it is. Okay, let's light this little one here. There we go. Alright. There you go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I'm getting used to it. And there might still be a little air in the gas lines. Yeah, I'll use it. But never go by looks in life, people. I hadn't tried cooking on it yet. I can feel heat, so it'll work as a good heater. But in my honest opinion, you're going to think I'm crazy. That one that I took out is a higher quality. Why? Because it has bigger flames and it's made out of stronger material. The one I took out is better. But this will work. I mean, it's not going anywhere. I'm going to leave it in here. I may change my mind after, I use it a while. Okay, let's go ahead and cut her off. There we go. Okay. There we go. It may need more time, the regulators and those you know, they have to completely fill full of gas, you know, to work properly or whatever. Well, hi everybody. When I was working on the stove with that loud electric saw, it was like, hell with that, we're getting out of here. Okay, it's over, babies, it's over. We love y'all. Okay, I guess that's about it. See, we got that nailed, that's done. And, whew, man. Panning. Well, and all that good stuff. Here's the one I took out. Well, the back of it's similar. See, here's where the gas line hooked up to that, and I used the same plastic cap that was on that one to put on here. Now this will be put out in my porch shed. I'll just lean it up against one of the walls or whatever. I'll wrap it in plastic. I've got a couple of rolls of visqueen plastic, and I'll just so I got to do a little bit of cleanup of a bunch of stuff on the floors, but we've got it, and there it is. Da 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 da.